You know what's harder to stay consistent with cardio? Finding a machine that doesn't take over your living room. This one folds smaller than a carry-on, and it actually works. Hi everyone, I'm Valentine Lewis, a YouTuber who actually works out with the machines I review. So if you've been searching for a rowing machine that's powerful, space-saving, and doesn't sound like a jet engine, this one is worth your attention. This is the Kingsmith WM10, and it's not just compact, it's actually clever. You can adjust easily with just one knob. It has 33 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance. It also supports the Kinomap app, so you can learn even more ways to use the rowing machine by following a professional coaches there. It's user-friendly, it comes with an adjustable footrests and an extra long track, which is gonna fit users of all heights. I am pretty tall, I'm 5'77". So guys, look on that. You can see that there's lots of space still behind me, so anyone who is taller than me can easily use this machine with no problem. The seat and the rail design all supports proper rowing posture. Also, it has a phone holder, which you can use to hold your phone and to work up with the Kinomap application, or you can use it for an iPad. For an example, I have put my iPod right there and I just turned on videos from people rowing, and this is how you can connect to the environment and feel like you're actually rowing in a real sea. How cool is that? Thank you, Walking Pad, for sponsoring this video. Let's get started.
Let's start with the most obvious feature, the Trifold tech. This rower folds down to just 3.23 square feet. That's about the size of a 26-inch suitcase. No water tank removal needed, and you can do it one-handed. Just secure the seat, tilt the ergonomic handle vertically, and fold. Done! I store mine under a desk or just somewhere in my studio, and it even doubles as a bench, so you can use it like in so many different scenarios. So the space-saving design, the Trifold that makes sense, is literally an awesome feature. Most rowers that claim to be compact still dominate a room. This one is actually disappears when not in use. No tools, no any type of a nonsense. How cool is that? It's compact, powerful, and convenient. Also, no any type of assembly needed. You just simply unfold and start rowing once you want to use it. The patented three-fold design allows easy storage without moving the water tank. Enhanced stability supports smooth, continuous training sessions. Once you're done, once again, the patented three-fold design allows you to easily fold it and unfold it to use it or to store it. So to me, that's an amazing advantage and a great ergonomic design. Now let's move on. It also works with a dual resistance system and has a customizable power. So the WM10 is the first Kingsmith rower to combine water resistant and magnetic resistance as well. Both of these together creates a synergy, so you get up to 110 pounds of pulling force, also 77 pounds from the water tank. All this is adjustable by a digital DL knob. That means a super smooth glide with that calming water sound, but with the ability to ramp up intensity instantly. Whether you are casually rowing or doing a sweaty heat session, this lets you dial in without draining or refilling the tank. Now guys, it's designed in an amazing ergonomic way. As an ergonomic engineer, I am telling you, it's comfortable and it was made by people for people. There is literally nothing they didn't think of at the ergonomic design they have created. That machine was built for real bodies. What surprised me most is how comfortable it is. The higher seat and extra thick cushion helps to maintain good posture. Now the 1250 millimeters of a slide rail supports anyone who is up to 7'4" tall and up to 331 pounds weight, making it one of the most inclusive home rowers I've ever seen and also that are on the market right now. Now the details of this machine are so smart. It has a wide Velcro foot straps that won't slip. It has an adjustable foot pedals for all sizes. Also comes with 165 degrees of a bent handle for natural grip. And it even has a cable height 240 millimeters above the seat. It's engineered for smooth, ergonomic pulls. Now guys, let's talk about performance. So the glare-free LED display tracks every single thing. 500-meter split, stroke counts, time, calories, and it's easy to read even in a very low light. And for next level workouts, you can connect to the KS Fit app to track your performance performance, or you're welcome to join the Kinomap to row along with virtual coaches or even compete globally. If you are like me and need a little motivation, like a good competition is always a great motivation for me, well, this turns a solo row into something way more engaging. Now, why to choose this one? My final thoughts. So, I would pick the Kingsmith WM10 over any another rower or home gym equipment. Why is that? Well, you get full body activation, 90% of muscles engaged. It's gentle on joints, and the water sounds actually helps me to get into a rhythm and flow state. Also, I can break a sweat in under 10 minutes. And why this rower? Well, it's quiet and apartment friendly. So even if your space is really small, you will be easily able to fit this one. You can fold and unfold it, quick and easy, patented technology, and it folds to the size of a suitcase literally. No any time of assembly needed, just unbox it, unfold, and start rowing. So guys, I'll drop the product link and my setup tip in the description box down below. So if you want powerful, low-impact cardio without losing your living room to your gym equipment, the Kingsmith WM10 checks every single box.
Well, guys, in conclusion, I really want to tell you that this machine works awesome. I love how easy it's to fold it and to unfold it. I can store it pretty anywhere, and that's my biggest problem with any gym equipment. We are living in 2,100 square feet house, which considered small for America, and it is actually small because we have the culture here of purchasing, of buying. So as a result, every American house is full of different stuff, and you want it all to be compact because who want to stop buying, right? But you still do need space to store it all. So I love when things are high quality and they're ergonomically designed well as I love when they are made for the people, for the user. The design here is definitely thoughtful about the user. It is folding into a small piece of like less than carry-on size type of a box that you can store easily anywhere, even under your desk. And once you unfold it, it becomes this really long and cool rowing machine. And of course that you can add extra type of exercising. You don't have to use this one as rowing machine only. You can absolutely use this one to work on your abs, to work on your arms, because who wants this? Like, I want to wave and I don't want anything to wave with me. That's why rowing machine is here to help me to get rid of all this saggy skin and meat. I don't know even what this is. I mean, like, what is that? I don't know. I'm really so motivated to work out on this machine to get rid of all of the, splalala, whatever you can call it, like all around my body. I have it there. Yep. So guys, be so very sure to check out this rowing machine. I will highly recommend you. It is working amazing. You can do so many different exercises with this one, guys. I will highly recommend you to go search for other influencers that they are way more like, fit than I am. And they are doing crazy things with this machine. Literally, there is no group of muscles that you cannot work out with using this rowing machine. So guys, be so very sure to check the Kingsmith WM10 rowing machine. I love it. I worked with this for a few weeks and I'm extra excited. So guys, all the links, all the coupon codes, all the possible ways to save some money of yours, everything is going to be listed down below in the description box to this video of mine. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next video. XOXO Valentine.